Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a quick little haul from Scrap Diva Designs. Erica asked me to guest design for her again, and I am so excited to share with you what I received in the mail today. So I'm just going to show you the 10 dies that Erica sent me, and then I will get started making the projects, and I'll come back with another video when I have some of them made. Go ahead and use my code strawberry10 at checkout on scrapdivadesigns.com, and you'll get 10% off your order of $10 or more. And I'll leave my code down below and the website, and also links to every one of the dies that I show. Okay, so the first one is called the Heart and Arrow Straw Topper. So it comes with both of these. Two different size hearts that are stitched, and then the ends of the arrows. So you could put a pencil or a straw through that. So it'll look so cute when it's all done. I can't wait to make those. The next die set is called the Butterfly Mini Album. So this is perfect for spring projects. Comes with the two different sizes of the wings, the two different sizes of the body, and then the facing side of the wings. And then this is the base of the album. And there's a lot of stitch detailing, which is excellent. And yeah, I think this will be really fun to make with some spring papers. The next set that I received is the Scalloped Hearts set, and I'm pretty sure that I purchased this myself a while back. I'll have to check my stash, but I do love it. It's got the two scallop trim hearts, and then the inner hearts that you can combine if you want to, that have stitch detailing, and then it cuts out the little hearts from there as well. So they're two different sizes. Can't wait to make some more projects with that. The next one is called the Love Bag Topper. So this looks so cute on Erica's website. It comes with two different sizes of the word love and then shadow pieces. It cuts out little hearts from the letters, which is adorable. And this says facing love back and the front, so it'll look nice on the back and the front of the bag topper. And then it comes with the two different, I believe I think you would probably use these together. So I'll have to play with this and see how that goes, but this will be really fun to make for Valentine's Day projects. So there's that one. The next one is the Valentines Stamp Set, and I love stamping. I'm looking forward to doing some heat embossing with these. I love these little silhouettes of the Cupids. Those are so cute. There's Be My Valentine, all these 4 different hearts, two solids and clear ones, and they're just different shapes. I really like you with little hearts all around it. Valentine's Day Express, February 14th. That'll be perfect on the back of an envelope. Made with love, filled with love, and sent with love. Oh, that's so cute. And then some more hearts, other shapes. February 14th, Valentine's Day. Looks like something that would be nice on an envelope as well. From my heart to yours, and it's got a little tiny heart on the T there. That's a nice touch. So lucky to have a friend like you with all the little hearts above all the letters. I don't know if you could see that. They're really tiny. So looking forward to seeing how that looks stamped out. Here are a couple intertwined hearts, and then Happy Valentine's Day. Hugs, kisses, and Valentine wishes with the little hearts cut out too. Look inside, happy mail, and yeah, so lots of different stamps on that. That'll be nice. So looking forward to that as well. I keep saying that, but I really am. This set is called the Wavy Tag Set. So it comes with, looks like 6 different pieces. So it has the tag itself. It's like a kind of like a banner flying in the breeze with the scallop trim, and the tag is stitched as well. This would make a cute little tag flap actually, or you can add this like on the end of a dowel or a straw. How fun would that be? So yeah, that'll be fun for any holiday, even though it's called the Wavy Tag Set, so it's not made for Valentine's Day, I don't think, but it's just, part of this design team package. The next set is called the Heart Circle Nesting Set. Look at how cute these nesting circles are. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. This is the scalloped edge of the circle in 3 different sizes, and it's got the little eyelet detail, and then hearts as well, and then stitching. And then you can add the circle die next to that if you want to cut out the inside of the circle as well, or use them separately. So 3 different sizes, and that's great. And I saw on the website that some of the examples use these as bag toppers. You could just fold it in half and make it a bag topper. So I love that idea. So there's that one. The next one is the heart bag topper, and that comes in a couple different sizes, 3 different sizes actually, large, big, and small. So it looks like it would be really simple to put together. Just run this once through your die cutting machine, fold it on the score lines, and you have a bag topper that you can embellish any way you'd like. And I love that it cuts out the little hearts in the eyelet patterns, and it's stitched of course. And the top part of the bag topper is really fun too. That would look really cute with some like puffy stickers on it or something. So looking forward to playing with that, and I love that it's versatile, that it comes with the 3 different sizes. Okay, and the second to last is the Valentine Treat Box. This looks like a Christmas cracker box when you put it together, but it's for Valentine's Day because it has the hearts on the edges and then scalloped ends as well. This will be really fun to put together. You can add this window here and then add some acetate so you could see through on the inside. And then it comes with these layering pieces as well. So yeah, that'll be really fun to customize. And you could use it for Christmas crackers too if you wanted to, but it's good that you can use it for any holiday for, little treats for your loved ones or crafty friends. And the last one is the 3D mailbox. So it comes with all of these dies on this side, and then the other side has these pieces as well. And I did not see an example on the website, so I'm looking forward to just kind of putting it together myself and see what I come up with. Looks very simple. The bag, the box pieces are all together here. It looks like you just fold them and maybe glue them on the bottom. There's some layering pieces. That's probably the bottom. I think so. And then there's the word post right there. And then there's the top with the slit where you would put your mail in there. And then some trim, some eyelet trim. Love that. I love how Erica always adds cute eyelet details and the stitch layering pieces. That's just makes me so happy and makes me so look forward to working with these dies. So thanks so much, Erica, for sending me these. Can't wait to get started. Again, my code is strawberry10 for 10% off, and I will link all of these products down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with more projects using these dies. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.